Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are all doing great. So today I made these beautiful long earrings and I'm going to show you how I did that in this video. So first you just take out a piece of fabric, a small piece of fabric, and then also some really thick interfacing, and then I just ironed it like that. And you need to make sure that it's ironed, like each and every part of the interfacing has been ironed and it's completely stuck to the fabric. And then I made this little cardboard templates, and the shape is kind of like, it's like a drop of, like a water drop kind of shape, or teardrop or whatever. And then I just use that to trace and draw lines, and then I cut that up with a scissors. And then after that I started just gluing them together like that, and I tried to make sure that they are as completely as aligned as possible. Sometimes the other one might overlap a little bit, but I just corrected that by trimming again. And this kind of glue that I'm using, this E6000 glue. You need to make sure that the whole surface area is covered with the glue. And then when they are dry, I now took some Mod Podge or Podge, and then I just took a sponge and tried to make sure that there is completely, like, the whole thing is like soaked, so that when it dries, everything will just be together when it dries. And it also gives it a little bit of stiffness, which is also a good thing. And I did this on both sides. Then I now took my chains. I'd already cut the chains, and you notice that I have two of these for each size, and those are the sizes that I used. The first one was 4.5, 3, and then 2 inches. Then I now took my jump rings. Unfortunately, I couldn't find gold jump rings. I only had silver jump rings, so those are the ones that I used. And then, so by now my little petal thingies were now dry. They need to dry for about an hour, because Mod Podge takes time to dry, to be like completely dry. Then I took like a big needle and I'll just pierce it like that, then put my jump ring and attach it to the chain, and then close it up. So you notice that on the first one, on the short one, I put 1, and then on the longer one I put 2, and on the last one I put 3. So I put 2 on these longer ones, 2 of those little leaf petal thingies. I think they look like flower petals, so I'm just going to call them petals. And then on this longer one I put 3, 1 at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the top. And I didn't put it like where the chain starts. I put it on the second chain link, because the first one will be reserved to put the earring loop. Okay, so that is the result, and I really like them. I think they turned out great. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And by the way, I also have a video on a necklace, and this is the necklace. So I'm going to link the video, so that if you have seen the earrings, perhaps you might also want to do the necklace. And so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that I've inspired you to go and create something beautiful today. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.